Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Vishwesh and today we'll be discussing about this very wire that you see over here, because you guys had been sending me a lot of questions about this wire, about what this wire is, its importance, its uses and all of those stuff. So in this very video I'll be answering all those questions and much more, so make sure you watch this video all the way till the very end. And in case you have yet not subscribed to my channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you get all my informative videos first thing in the morning. So without any further delay, let's start with this video. So guys, this is the very wire that I've been getting a lot of queries about and we'll be talking about today, and all your questions are understandable because it's not every day that you see a wire go inside a combustion engine. So what is this wire and what is its function? Well guys, firstly this wire serves two vital functions in a Royal Enfield motorcycle. Firstly, it is responsible for the charging of your battery, and secondly, it is responsible for the spark that is generated by the spark plugs in the combustion chamber. So how does all of that happen? Well guys, this wire has 5 wires inside of it. 3 of them goes and connects directly to the alternator located right over here on the right hand side of the engine. When your bike is running, the alternator generates electricity, and since a Bullet uses a 3-phase power supply, the 3 wires carry that current all the way to the RR unit located right under your seat, that grey box if you remember. The RR unit is actually the rectifier regulator unit, which then sends that current to the battery, and your battery gets charged when your motorcycle is running. The second purpose is served by the remaining 2 wires, which are connected to the crank position sensor. The crank position sensor actually determines when the 2 spark plugs, it's a twin spark engine, when the 2 spark plugs would generate that spark which creates the combustion in the fuel air mixture, and hence the piston moves downward and generates mechanical energy, which then pushes your bike forward. So it is responsible for charging your battery as well as for the efficient combustion of the fuel air mixture. Now the question that you guys ask is that what is the solution for the oil seepage? Because sometimes if you look closely you'll realize that there's always some oil deposition around this wire. Well guys, if I put it in a very simple manner, then please don't do anything for that, because firstly, whatever that oil is, it's in a very microscopic quantity, like micro droplets come out at best. Over the period of time it does get deposited and you can see that oil, but if I speak frankly, then that doesn't matter, because by the time that might become significant, you would already be way past the time that you should get a oil top up done or you should get an oil change done. So that you shouldn't be doing. Now the reason why that happens is because there is a small orifice in this wire right where the wire is connected. So and also the oil pump is located right over here, which pumps the engine oil all the way up to the tappets. So in case you seal this area with some Anna bond or Suzuki bond or any of those adhesives, what will happen is you will risk your engine, because that orifice is responsible for releasing the excess pressure built up inside the combustion chamber. So once you seal that up, you risk failure of tappets as well as burnt piston rings. So my advice is that you please don't get it sealed, leave it the way it is, and you will be much more happier and will have a much more longer lifespan on the engine of your motorcycle. So guys, that was all for today. In case you have any other questions related to this wire or anything related to a Royal Enfield, make sure you drop your questions in the comment section below. And if you like the video, make sure you hit the like, share and subscribe button, as well as following me on social media. You can follow me here, as well as here. And that was all for today. See you guys in the next. Till the next time, peace.